Alright guys, so here we are. It's August 2019 at Marco Island, Florida. Early in the morning, 7:30 in the morning. We're flying the Hubsan Zino. Set the camera set to automatic ISO. The resolution is set at 4K. The color is set to ordinary and the white balance is set to ordinary. Now we have 4 quadrants here. You guys need to decide which one of these quadrants you prefer. 1, 2, 3, or 4. And one of these quadrants is actually the original footage from the Zino. Applied a LUT to the other 3. So what is a LUT? It's a lookup table. Basically all it is a file that contains all the settings that somebody created of all the parameters needed in post-grading, like brightness, gamma, saturation, and the color, and they're all those settings are wrapped up into a file, and it's called the LUT for short. So which LUT do you prefer? 1, 2, 3, or 4? So I'm going to let you guys figure that out, and then when the Zino turns around and starts heading back, I'll let you know which one is the one that I prefer. So here we go. It's spinning around. So in quadrant number 1 was Claire De Lun, which is one of my favorites. Quadrant number 2 is Remy, which is it has a lot of violet in it. It looks pretty cool too. Quadrant number 3 is the McKinnon LUT, which is another one of my favorites. And the quadrant number 4 is actual Zino footage. So when you're shooting and you're planning to apply a LUT, try to shoot as flat as possible. The Zino doesn't have a flat log, so we just have to use ordinary, but that's fine. And I've found from sheer experience that the Zino works better in video when you set it to automatic ISO. I know it will shift back and forth, but under sunny conditions, those should just keep it at ISO 100 the whole time. So, my favorite, I don't know, it's hard to tell. I mean, I'm going back and forth between the Claire De Lun and the McKinnon. But, you know, it all depends what kind of mood I wanted. Or if a happier mood, I'd go with the Claire De Lun, and a little bit more dramatic, I'd go with the McKinnon. I think the McKinnon has a little bit too much contrast in it that gives it more of a dark feel, but that, again, it depends what kind of mood you want to create out of your video. But in a happy situation like this, I think I would pick the Claire De Lun, because we're talking, you know, good times, right? Being on the beach, enjoying yourself. So, yeah, Claire De Lun is probably my favorite on this one. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite and why. Let us all know why you chose those. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, as usual, give it a thumbs up. And if you liked the contest, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.